Welcome to the Justin Blake Show once again. And of course, I'm yours truly, Justin Blake. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, click that notification bell to receive a notification each time I publish a new video. Let me get straight into it. Today's topic is economics.
This is the definition of economics. The branch of knowledge concerned with the production, consumption, and transfer of wealth.
What can you bring to the marketplace that will stand out above your competitors and attract potential buyers and consumers of your product? I know about the Glock, I know about the Uzi, I know about the 38, I know about the M16, I know about the Mach 11, I know about the Ruger, I know about the Desert Eagle, I know about the Chinese AK-47, I know about the Russian AK-47, and I know about the Israeli AK-47, but I don't know nothing about Ecomatic. It's a new gun. I said economics. Economics is the simple knowledge and ability to develop wealth. Instead of wasting your time doing things that cannot contribute to your economical growth, why not use your time to think about new and innovative ways in which you can create wealth? Yeah, me I say no daddy. Man out here without fear, you know, and without care too. A whole heap of time man can't even find a tin of mackerel, and not even a pound of flour, and half stick of butter if you can run a boat. Can feel the white squall build up on my lip them right now. And I can feel my ribs and my sucking, so like a bag juice. One thing I make you know, see when time I hungry till me are dead, my gun them never empty. My gun them have to load. And the whole of my clip them are extension. Not to mention the pan belly. 35 and 40 grand for your KSI 40 binds them. You better hungry kill me than some boy kill me, you know. That me I tell you, you know. Hungry I have to charge for my murder, you know. Now I left my head back careless out the road and make boy take my 3 points. We out here without fear and without care too. That more some boy to know too, you know. Never shy away from that great idea. It is for you to do the necessary work to make your concept becomes a reality. Are you sick and tired of unprofessional traffic stoplight windscreen cleaners? You want to watch me, daddy? Do you hate to smell the bad breath and also sweaty odor from your stoplight windscreen cleaner? You don't know, you know, my godfather. Do it out there, you know, easy, you know, but we have to do it, you know. Don't you just hate whenever you are forced into accepting a windscreen clean and you know you surely didn't need it? It's safe to say your troubles are over, because us at Squeaky Clean Windscreen Cleaner, we do our job in the most professional and efficient manner. Next time when you acquire the service of a window cleaner, make sure that it is one of our trusted representatives here at Squeaky Clean Windscreen Cleaners. We are located island-wide at every stoplight everywhere in Jamaica. Contact us at 1-800-SQUEAKY-CLEAN to book your appointment right now. Good money management, very important. As we all say in Jamaica, every mickle make a muckle. So in order to make your dream becomes a reality, it will take planning, determination, and focus.